During monsoon, it's just not raining everywhere, it's pouring illnesses everywhere. You can see it every nook and corner in every house. There is a child who is unwell, there is an adult who is coughing or sneezing, and it's understandable because this weather is like that. It is hot, it is humid, and it is cold in the same day. Before and after rain is what you can call it. And parents with younger children get into a lot of trouble because they can't see their children suffer. They don't know what else to do, because any child catching cough or cold in their community, their own child will have it. They fret sending the child out and so many things. So this video will completely talk about monsoon care and also monsoon foods that helps build immunity in your children. So I am Kavitha Prashanth, founder of Tots and Moms. Do watch the video till the end to know more. Let's begin with the first monsoon care tip, that is choosing the right clothing. As we were discussing, throughout the day, the temperature keeps changing. It is hot, it is humid, it is also cold before and after rain. So you don't have to put on a lot of warm clothes on your child. Do check the necessity, and maybe multiple layers of cotton clothing you can keep doing, and that's good. And also, on the other hand, ensure the baby is clean and hygienically taken care of. Bathe them on a regular basis, change the clothes to avoid infection that can spread, and pat them dry after bathing them. First of all, do not give them very hot bath, because post that you can see them sweating, and this moisture on their skin can bring in a lot of infections, rashes. So pat them dry and put on few layers of clothes as needed, and whatever places they are around, keep it hygienic by cleaning the floor, and avoid drying clothes inside the house because that moisture isn't good, at least not around where the child plays. Keep them well hydrated. If you're breastfeeding your child, nothing like it, continue doing that because it will safeguard them from a lot of illnesses. And otherwise, for older children, give them lots of fluids, especially water. You can give them juices, kashaya, etc. This is necessary to build upon the immunity. And next thing is, keep them diaper free as much as possible, and keeping them moist free is necessary. Otherwise, rashes or diaper rashes can occur a lot, and other fungal infection over the skin can also happen. At last, I would like to say you can definitely safeguard your child by doing all these things, taking care of these simple measures. And most of the illnesses are due to mosquitoes. So safeguard them from these mosquitoes. You can use natural methods. There are so many natural products available online that you can choose instead of just plugging in those machines which bring in a lot of unwanted chemicals. So that is one thing. I mean, as I was telling, even dengue is because of it. I can see so many people suffering, including my brother who underwent that. So mosquitoes are dangerous. Otherwise, other illnesses are waterborne. So protect them, safeguard them from these illnesses in these simple steps. Let's talk about monsoon foods. First thing, fluids, liquid, water. As I was already telling, it is necessary for them to take a lot of water. It is one such thing that builds immunity, and breastfed children, nothing like it. And next is fruits and vegetables, seasonal, local and fresh. This is the mantra. You can give them jackfruit, all sort of berries, apple. These are great options, and definitely anything seasonal that you can find fresh. Don't go for anything imported, not necessary. You will just find a hole in your pocket, nothing else. And when we talk about vegetables, all the gourds, bottle gourd, pointed gourd, bitter gourd, you can choose cucumber, tomato, radish. These are very healthy. You can make simple dishes using these fruits and vegetables. I mean, fruits definitely offer it as is than making juices. And last but not the least, probiotics. Probiotics are healthy gut bacteria which help fight bad bacteria and keep us away from the illnesses. So for this, you can include curd regularly in your diet, in your child's diet. Or you can add in fermented foods like idli, dosa, dhokla. These are simple ones that can be offered. There are plenty such recipes that you can follow. Please check Google for that. At last, we will talk about few things to remember. At first, water contamination is very high during this season, especially because water bodies are overflowing or drainages are overflowing, stagnant water issues are found. So please avoid having foods outside as much as possible. Fried foods are a calling during monsoon. I mean, as soon as it rains, we feel like eating something hot and spicy. It's great if you can cook it in limited quantity at home. Do not bring it from outside, because you don't know again how many times used oil is being used. And this is also because during monsoon your digestion is slower than the regular times. So do not overload it. Have more of fruits and vegetables. Due to humid, fungal growth is common, so please ensure you wash all the fruits and vegetables well with salt, baking soda or vinegar. During monsoon, the bird is greener, calmer and pleasant, and not just young couples, even younger children love to see it pour. They want to touch it, they want to feel the rain droplets, they want to go play in that muddy puddle. So allow them to be a kid. Yes, the first showers aren't healthy is what research says, but it's okay for a while. Let them get drenched. Let them get happy and come back. If you're taking care of all those things that we are talking about, definitely it will not harm them. You just have to ensure that you bathe them, you put that fresh cloth on and allow them to sleep if they want to. Good sleep is definitely necessary during monsoon. And thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope I added some value for what you're looking for. Your question is being answered. And on this channel, I post a lot of videos like this. And Tots and Moms is an organic baby food store. I am founder of this food company. And here we sell organic and chemical free products. Dry fruits powder, sprouted sattu mavu, sprouted ragi, millet sattu mavu, and drinks without any chemicals or preservatives. Everything is fresh, everything is chemical free. We are USD organic certified company running it since 8 years. So do check our store. All our products are available at shop.totsandmoms.com. It's our own website. You can even purchase them from Amazon, Flipkart, FirstCry or Big Basket. It can also be found in your nearest store. If you want to know, please WhatsApp us on 888-444-7337, or you can even give a call. Varsha would be happy to talk to you. Take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.